rap battles of history! Richard Potter as Abraham Lincoln versus Richard Potter as Chuck Norris! Begin!
Score! 6-5 years in the past, I once did a war with my beard. Now I'm here to whoop your ass. I'm not about your facts, you cure cancer with your tears. Well, tell me, Chuck, have you never sat down and cried in your career? You're a washed-up has-been on TV selling total gym, and you're gonna lose this battle like you lost Turtle the Dragon. I put chairs in his house, I put them in my mouth, I squash you like a squash yourself. I never told a lie, and let's start now. You're a horse with the way that I put you down. This isn't Gettysburg, punk. I suggest retreat. For I invented rap music when my heart started beating. Chuck Norris doesn't battle, he just allows you to lose. My rap will blow your mind like the John Butch Wells. I got my face on the side of a mountain. You voted for John McCain. I got a bucket full of my head. Now I'm about to make it rain. You black bullets with your beard, I'll catch him with my skull. I make fun of Texas Rangers, but I've never even seen that show.